Have you ever dreamed of carving wood with astonishing precision and ease, just like an artisan wields their brush on the canvas? Let me introduce you to the Arebos wood router, a tool that transforms the art of woodworking into a symphony of precision and power. If you're interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This wood router is the perfect tool for passionate DIY enthusiasts and woodworking professionals who seek precision, power, and ease of use for their carpentry projects. Whether you are an experienced craftsman or a creative hobbyist, it is designed to bring your most detailed ideas to life. From the moment you take hold of the Arebos wood router, you will feel the promise of masterful work. With its powerful 1200-watt motor and a continuous rotation speed ranging from 11,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, this machine does not just promise, it delivers. Whether it's creating a delicate groove or shaping sharp edges, the Arebos router is up to the task. But power is much more than just speed. It is also the ability to maintain this power under control. The ergonomic handles of the Arebos router, covered with a non-slip rubberized surface, provide a comfortable and secure grip, allowing you to guide the machine with the same ease as a conductor directs his musicians. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. Precision is the key word for the Arebos. A practical micro-depth adjustment for milling allows you to go from 0 to 55 millimeters, giving you the freedom to shape the wood according to your needs, while ensuring clean and dust-free work thanks to the seamless connection of the vacuum cleaner. What is the key to unmatched efficiency? The answer lies in the compact design of the Arebos router and the included guide rail, which enable precise and quick work. Change the bit without tools thanks to the spindle lock and appreciate the solid and well-sized milling base of 150 by 110 mm for exceptional work. But wait, the Arebos experience doesn't stop there. The ease of transport and storage is also guaranteed. Everything can be stored in the blink of an eye in a practical and sturdy carrying case that will quickly become the treasure chest of your workshop. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now imagine that you could achieve this mastery of wood, this precision of a craftsman, without having to leave your workshop. The Arebos wood router comes with everything you need to get started. A 2-meter power cable, an extraction adapter, and a complete set of 12 router bits to suit all your projects. You may be wondering if such a powerful tool can be safe. The answer is a resounding yes. Tested and certified by TÜV Rheinland, the Arebos wood router not only guarantees unmatched performance but also optimal safety. Finally, the hassle-free adjustment of the milling depth, the spindle lock, the turret stop with quick adjustment to 7 positions, and the parallel guide are all there to prove that the Arebos is much more than just a simple router. It promises an unparalleled working experience. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and speed. With a 1200-watt motor and an adjustable speed ranging from 11,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, the tool provides the necessary power for a variety of woodworking tasks. Advantage number 2, ergonomics and comfort. The ergonomic handles and the non-slip rubber coating provide comfortable use for extended periods. Advantage number 3, precision. The micro-depth adjustment ensures extreme accuracy, ideal for delicate work. Advantage number 4, cleanliness. The vacuum adapter helps maintain a clean workspace by sucking up the generated dust. Advantage number 5, ease of transport and storage. The sturdy and practical transport case makes it easy to store and move the tool and its accessories. Advantage number 6, certified safety. Certification by TÜV Rheinland ensures that the device has been tested for its safety. Advantage number 7, complete with accessories. The tool comes with 12 different bits, allowing for a wide variety of applications right from the start. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, complexity for beginners. Beginners may find the device intimidating or complex to use without prior practice. Disadvantage number 2, weight. Weighing 5.42 kilo, the tool may be considered heavy for some users, especially during prolonged use. In summary, whether it is about creating unique pieces or performing repetitive tasks with millimeter precision, art and craftsmanship is the choice of artisans who settle for nothing but the best. And the best also means being able to share this experience with you. If you want to turn your passion for wood into a work of art, click the link in the description to order the Arebos wood router at the best price, discover more about its capabilities, and read the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you soon.